How did you spend the entire winter in Mexico? I've been getting this question a lot and I want to answer it. People think that you have to be rich to travel or that, you have to win the lottery or inherit millions of dollars. That's not the case at all. This isn't the movies. This isn't the 70s. Travel's not for the rich. Anybody can do this. And I want to show you how. The first step is to figure out your finances. If there's anything that 2020 has taught us is that everything can be taken from you. That career you worked for, your job that you worked for could all be taken away from you. And then you have to fend for yourself. What the government might give you $1,000 or a couple $1,000, but is that enough to survive? Probably not. Probably not. To maintain your current lifestyle. So you're on your own. You have to figure out your finances. It's all on you. So for those people that are saying, "Oh, I have bills, I have rent," well, figure that out. So what I would do, if I could, like I plan on doing this again. So if I would just sell everything. Go on Facebook Marketplace, go on Kijiji, get rid of all your stuff. I mean, I came here with a backpack and my laptop, which I used to make money. A couple shirts, as you can see, I made videos on the same 4 shirts. Maybe I brought like 4 or 5 shirts, a couple pairs of pants. That's all I needed. I want the experience. So you have to decide, what do you want? Do you want to live in Canada or America or Europe, somewhere that's locked down, somewhere that's tough to have a good lifestyle but have more things, or do you want to experience more? It's like that one saying goes, we think we want $1 million, but we really just want $1 million experiences. So which one are you? And I want $1 million experiences. I want to live in Mexico or wherever I can in the winter and not be stuck in the cold and not be limited. So figure out your finances and then maybe give your place up. I gave up my condo. You can easily rent out your place. I did all the videos on my own. I put it all up on Facebook Marketplace. I ended up giving it to a family member, my brother. But yeah, you can I met people here sublease their place. You can sell your stuff, sublease your place. Take care of that aspect of it. So there you go, that excuse is gone. You can literally sublease your place or sublet whatever for 6 months and then go away for those 6 months. So at the very least, you'll break even and have no bills. And then you sell all your stuff, so you have savings, you have money, And then you can live off that money. And then this page, I've always been all about freedom and control. So then you can create your own income. I've written a million articles about this. You should always try to be creating side hustles and creating your own income. Because all you need to make money is a Wi-Fi connection and strong coffee, which luckily I found both. It's actually probably easier to get strong coffee than Wi-Fi, but it's a different story. So yeah, that's all you need. And then you buy a ticket. You legally, I guess, you need a round trip, so you can obviously cancel the second part of the trip and get a deal. I did that. I got a voucher, so I bought a round trip. And then you choose a place. I chose Mexico. And if you're thinking, oh, I don't speak Spanish, download Duolingo, go on Spotify, follow accounts on Instagram, learn Spanish, learn languages. I was uncomfortable for the last 3 months. I forced myself to speak Spanish to everybody every single day, all day. And then legally, you get a 6-month visa in Mexico, which you can obviously renew by just leaving for a day and coming back. And yeah, if you have a laptop, I guess you have to just pay taxes in your home country. That's whatever, you can't avoid taxes. You see an accountant for that. And then just take the leap of faith, complaining online and being mad and complaining with politicians and being upset. It doesn't get you anywhere. It's pointless, and I don't want to harp on that. Sell your junk. Figure out how to make money online. There's obviously articles in here. It's easier said than done, but you have to at least try. Buy a one-way ticket, come down to Mexico, come down to Costa Rica, and figure life out. Make it work. You'll find a way. Thank you.